Slow it down, run it through every strand, falling true. Gentle lines, soft and clean. Watch the length start to gleam. Hands move steady, take your time.